Want to unlock a smoother, more secure way to pay for your Alibaba fines? First, understand that direct PayPal integration on Alibaba is limited. It depends on the supplier and the order amount if the supplier doesn't directly offer PayPal as a payment option. Don't worry, there's a workaround. Look for the Pay with Credit, Debit Card or similar option during checkout. Often powered by AliPay many times, this allows you to link and pay with your PayPal account as a funding source, even if it's not explicitly listed. During the payment process, you'll be redirected to a secure page, possibly AliPay, where you can choose to add a card. Select the option to add your card, and then enter your PayPal details. Your card is associated with your PayPal account. Be mindful of potential transaction fees that AliPay or PayPal might charge for currency conversion or processing the payment. These fees vary, so read the fine print carefully before confirming. Using PayPal, even indirectly, gives you added security. PayPal's buyer protection policy can be a lifesaver if you encounter issues with your order, enabling you to file a dispute if needed. If issues arise, first contact the supplier through Alibaba's messaging system. If you can't resolve the problem, leverage PayPal's dispute resolution process for a potential refund. Paying with PayPal on Alibaba offers increased flexibility and protection. Happy shopping!